Hello. I'm Georgespratz.
I'm Naya strings.
What should we do today? Soukous, right?
Yes.
Assuming I'm in the key of A, and I have 1, 4, 5, 4. I'm using the G shape of A. You know, I can play something like this. This is a beautiful rhythm, right? You can also add something sweet, like within the C shape of the C shape, yeah. Yeah, so you can go so fa mi re do. Okay. So far mi re do mi re la do mi re ti so do la so fa. Again.
Simple.
So this is it.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Right?
Sure. Yeah.
Then what?
No.
Do.
La so fa. That's the last.
See?
Yeah. That's the last part.
See, and this actually teacher, you know what they do. Okay, let's try it. One more time, slowly. Slowly.
Alright, so now I am in the key of A.
Okay.
The C shape. Okay. So I'm playing so, then fa, mi, then re, do, then I play do mi, re, then la. Then I play do mi, do re, ti so, do la so fa. So Naya Strings.
Hey, we are in town, you know.
Yes.
We are in town. In case you haven't subscribed to our channel, hey, what are you looking for? She is Naya.
Naya Strings.
And I'm Georgespratz, you know. If you're looking for one-on-one Zoom lessons, don't hesitate to pick the numbers on the screen. Let's do it. We teach every level. What would you like to learn? Soukous, classicals, jazz, palm wine, whatever, whatsoever you want to learn. Pick the numbers on the screen and let's do it. See you again and soon. See you again and soon. All right.